Hi, and welcome to Mr. Garofalo's podcast, Pretest edition. Today we're looking at problem number 14 from your pretest homework. In this problem, we're told that the Port Jeff Royal soccer team is having a car wash fundraiser. And then in the second sentence of the problem, we're told some very important information, and that is that the profit that they're earning is a linear function of the number of cars they wash. This is important because it signifies to us that the profit is increasing at a constant rate. And functions that increase at a constant rate are linear and therefore have slope. So if we can somehow determine that slope, then we'll be able to come up with an equation that would model this car wash. Some additional information that's going to be important is that once they've washed 25 cars, they have realized a profit of $62.50, and they realized a profit of $166 after 48 cars were washed. The variables are defined for us already, in that X is for number of cars, and Y is for profit in dollars. Remember, profit is the money earned after expenses are paid. So keep that in mind as we work down to one of the later problems on this page. So one way to start this may be to go to an old trusty T-chart, perhaps. This certainly isn't the only way, but if we know X is number of cars and Y is the profit, we can go ahead and fill in that we know 25 cars gave a profit of $62.50, and 48 cars yielded a profit of $166. So essentially what we have here are two sets of ordered pairs, and we can identify them as X1, Y1 and X2, Y2. What this will do is help us apply these to the slope formula. So if we want to find out the equation that models this situation, we need to know two things. A, how much are they charging per car? And B, what was the y-intercept? What amount of money did they start with? So to calculate the slope, we would find that the change in profit is the difference between 166 and 62.50, and compare that to the difference between 48 and 25. So you'll need to go ahead and do some calculating there. That value you get will be your slope. And I'm going to kind of leave you there because the next question asks you what that slope means, and you'll have to interpret what you just calculated. To find the y-intercept that would model the situation, you'll take the value that you got here and substitute it in for m in our slope-intercept form. Then you'll choose a set of ordered pairs, say 48, 166, and you'll substitute them in for x and y, and you'll be solving for the y-intercept for the b. That answer has a follow-up question as well in part C, and you'll need to try and suggest a reason that that value is coming out negative. Hopefully this gives you a good start on this problem. We will certainly look deeper into it tomorrow during our pretest review. Should you have anything come up tonight that is urgent, please email me and I'll be sure to get back to you. See you in class tomorrow.